Hey, let me do the gay part. I was just trying to film before I forgot.
Good.
Well, on today's episode of Match Janky Shit at Modesto's, the Tahoe has had very degraded air suspension for a while. For a long while. And so, to keep it real short and sweet, 200,000 miles, we're gonna go ahead and convert to the regular style. And when you do that, when you go to regular shocks, you gotta stiffen up your springs in the rear, because those are softer because of the air strut. So since you ain't using the air shock, whatever. Anyways, I got this little Monroe kit from good old Rock Auto. I'll put the part number in the description, but basically you get both front struts, shocks, springs, and the little diode kit so that you don't get the warning, suspension warrant suspicion system. What is it? StabiliTrak? What does it say? Some shit like that.
Service ride system?
Yeah, there you go. So anyways, I'm gonna set y'all up on a time lapse. We're gonna start on the rear first and see how far we get. If we make some good time, then we'll work on the front. If not, then that'll be that. But let me get y'all set up. It's pretty straightforward. Just take the shock out, undo the airline, and then drop the spring out, swap the springs, put it back together, and then do the diodes. Good to go. So let's get it. Didn't really time lapse the fronts, but it's pretty simple. It's just the 3 bolts on top. Take your little wire harnesses off. Your 2 bolts in the bottom. You gotta save your clips. They give you nuts, but the clips are easier to deal with. So you just slide those off your factory ones and then slide them on this, put it back together. And then we got our little resistor wired in up there. Did all 4 corners. And well shit, we're about buttoning it up now. So we'll get the other wheels on, get it set down, and see how much better it rides. I'm nearly certain it's going to be a night and day difference, especially judging how clapped out. I don't know how clapped the fronts were, but them were completely done for. Completely, like they weren't doing shit. So yeah, probably gonna be a lot better. Well, left Modesto's and we did a test drive, and driving here, it's a night and day difference. It's way stiffer in a good way. It's not floaty anymore. It doesn't try to, you know, sway all the time. So, and there's no whatever warning light comes up. I can't remember what it is right now, but service suspension or whatever. It's not doing that. So we're good to go. Like I said, I'll put the link below of the kit I got from Rock Auto. I want to say it was either 600 or 800, I can't remember, but completely deletes the air ride system. We unplugged the compressor so I don't have to hear that thing anymore, and yeah, we're good to go. So appreciate y'all tuning in. I know it was like a little bit of time lapse and it wasn't very descriptive, but we were trying to hurry up and get after it. So I will be filming a little bit more often at Modesto's. We're going to work on some of the side projects and stuff, so if y'all want to see any of that, drop a comment below and let us know. And other than that, peace out, be human, and we'll see y'all next time.